Did you know that Chrysanthemum morifolium, also known as garden mum, is a medicinal herb native to East Asia and northeastern Europe? In traditional medicine, garden mum flowers have been used to treat several ailments, including sleep. Chrysanthemum morifolium is used as a sedative and anticonvulsant to treat insomnia. Bone loss. Chrysanthemums may help prevent bone loss and treat osteoporosis. Inflammation. Chrysanthemum morifolium has anti-inflammatory properties and is used to treat eye inflammation, fever, and migraines. Cardiovascular health. Chrysanthemum morifolium has cardioprotective effects and is used to treat coronary heart disease and hypertension. Liver function. Chrysanthemum morifolium improves liver function. Garden mums possess several pharmaceutical properties, including antioxidant, anti-obesity, neuroprotective, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic. Garden mums possess several phytochemicals, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, lignans, rutin, quercetin, and rutinoside. Chrysanthemum tea is made from the petals.